All right, guys, time for another Gold Rush full-size specialty autographed helmet. This is our last one from this case, and we'll start into a fresh case next week. So all of these are specialty helmets: chrome, camo, eclipse, whatever, matte black, like all kinds of different ones. And you've got Tom Brady, you've got Patrick Mahomes, ton of quarterbacks from Aaron Rodgers, Peyton Manning. You've got Joe Burrow and others. So here is your list of teams. Alan's got the Patriots, Giants, and Titans, and the Commanders. Brian L. with the Falcons, Browns, Texans, Jets, and Eagles. Brian H. with the Colts and the 49ers. Corey with the Vikings. Eddie's got the Cowboys. George with the Cardinals, Ravens, Panthers, Bengals, Steelers, and Bucks. Jeff with the Bills, the Raiders, the Chargers, the Rams, and the Dolphins. Mark P. with the Seahawks. Nick's got the Packers. Rick's got the Broncos, Jags, Chiefs, and Saints. Ryan S. with the Lions. And then Tim, you've got the Bears. All right. So good luck, guys. Tape and seal on the top and on the bottom. All right, speed replica. So we pulled Kirk Cousins out of here. Last week was what was that? Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. Can't remember box number 1, so we're due for a monster. Let's see what we got. It's going to be a Patriot. Which, if Tom Brady was a Patriot, I'd be freaking out right now. But it is not Tom Brady. Not a bad one here, though. Damian Harris. Running back there. So Patriots is going to be Allen. Beckett authenticated. It's a nice speed replica helmet there. All right, and that'll do it for specialty. So we'll bust into a brand new case next week. Those team auctions are on eBay now, so go check those out, and we'll see what we can hit next week.